Ukromnum Ansana, Yababa so at the store, Cinema Jama, Yajefa, and Anopai, and some our show. So I couldn't say, you remember when you have fun to say, I have players from my cracker bra. What can I say? And maybe a travel about Tuja, and my control some rent to be a Shasia, now Bako, I have Kevin to Branya, a BMS some Naya player, your fun to say Rodri, Emma Danny Cafeanum, woman, you know, some other cabin, I do quite shocking. Our brother from Saturday, Albany, and some other kinds of ways in the car say, the Aquacabas and matches, Alba so, amateurs almost schedule, as it's young, say be a FIFA, no man perform Kabi, just a woman and a UEFA phono, woman some man, you may amateurs a place, no, woman that time, and find you, Mahumia, woman some other striker, essence, woman to the Abbas, and no quite the only language, Ebian perform Abatias, I do back on say, woman did come out, Teba Casaya, and some Naritia said a schedule, as you're calling, woman some Aquaco Propra, Danny Cafe, Abacami, no Casino, one Alcobessa 1 year and watch a frontier, your father's road to the Subakabi, one also Cobessa 8 months, ABM, and some by a song you me, one also Aquacopra Amatu Branya, woman also Pradi Branya cried and the Okaya, but the last to come up Bodrum, Omukochino, your father Dominico Tedesco, one who crab a casa Codano, no Antony to almost as a just a Yamia Toma, I next year, your boy, your World Cup qualifiers now, and to Branya making a return, and somebody about your boardroom, Omanasha Timimo, not just a place or more criticize I guess UEFA and FIFA our bra, and I said your matches about Sunino, woman you know some Aquacopra. Now, Dr. Bakubia, one of some my friend, Dr. Alfonso Del Corral. Now, Alfonso Del Corral, I know you'll be on and some item to power say. I tell you, I couldn't say maybe a Camia Casabi and some atleta. Now, sending pan over 3 men faces. Now, athlete Sebia Kwamrika, Sebia Oya boxer, Sebia basketball, and also American football, Obo soccer, and some Nakasa faces. No, I am a come here, and 3 faces are one of some Nakawasam and say, Jerry Kane, our sending panel, one of let me rest. What you are home every hour, second first and I preparation. Now they are tossing me and some new season. Was some no Kwakabana, no Kasai, was what did you ever say? Some in your mammy and sending in our and performance I share Campum and some Amana Bakopa, our brother and second say, you need 3 faces, I had just 1 face, essence, and I'm Uya Yapano, the only face I have competition, and I'm crying no casino, and no some did you ever sending in and no some Makobi Anna Chasama Poisono, and some proper Basabasa, essence, and Nam Unya time, and found rest and what you Unya time, and some from Pepebium Unya time, and some found start to main season our brano, and some Mayasama doctor na, your father's Alfonso Del Caro, one of some Maria to our brown something, yet the Emma yet for now Cotena, your father's Danny Cavaya promises say, report to me, Yanni. Yes, it was say, answer me Becana no pesa, boys no Omusia can Adama Chasam Cotano, I yet Real Madrid, Omu Junior Timidie, Womudia Basaseria Barcelona, Womu coach and Amman Codani Poponibi, Na Chasabia Bimu Pra, Obosabia Mark Casanto, no other Chasam Cotano, Womania Chance, Albo Adama Bas and Yanubi, and Yahum our Madrid Sans and Namano Casai, Mecano no Presso Omose, Yami Adama January, Omukora Transam Market Tinemo, Na Real Madrid, I was Omenia 1. And I a central defender 2 and some I right back at your bar. Nanyabia Yamuti Timnisa and Kabia Bibinia no Biabashem. Na Esident Ancelotti the on Nanati and I said be on Nanani and some French Aya Bobakua, your friend of Madrid, almost on quite anymore. And I cried at Dominion say, Remodeled for them now to the Bissenda, Sabia Danny Cavaya Crapra, and your brand Tavanasa Federico Valverde, which mean I'm unable to Amania ye. Nasa Utimi Federico Valverde, and some number 2 Amania Yedia, no besides a wing and a veteran Fifi, and some Amabokua, your fan of Real Madrid, our Bramano Casanino, and some update and also Alba. Now, Jamesa Canasa Brantia, your father said Feniso Junior say, well, catch on a captain, I have found a Cafaya, say a yet day and you know some other Kokama. One stay safe, more Yano Sabio, I just send a Pabia Cacafano, 1 Ayo Abusia, and a BM and for Jomudi, woman about our brother entire playing party, and some other support Emano, woman cancer and Chabi Akotano, and some Nabaruka on time, said a bear, and some Nabatimia Babo, and some Adamatimna just an eye update, and some Abba and Namano Casino, yes, manager funds Ancelotti, one Casaya away. Ebiam aya rema tedam perifon almost say ayade say a modern bomb and it has an impact a branch of an satanic kafaya and some awo bobokua ye fan some Madrid elsonana wo bia no albert menya sa influence no and some our team no so and you say be a pitch no so kekene mom wo sem off the pitch ni nyina no Danny kafaya aya just one ne character and for two and some leadership qualities one some display on and off the pitch ni nyina no Wamutiri person omo mese awo bese boy na and some a big blow and so the team essence and modern ball and according to Real Madrid omo say nay amount for be ka say send ya mo say Rodri e deserve Ballon d'Or edia and ya Dani Kafaya and some deserve Ballon d'Or tina ya ka say no wamutiri ba say nipa na we prano onyo obi ya keke oya Ballon d'Or contender wono and akwa pro amen wamutiri ba say boy ni prano and some a big blow and some Timna Ninano and some for Deba in Bombay. Make it your last week in this boy I must say, would you France I'm for dinner tampa. Now okay say last week Ebekasa Didier Deschamps. I say Kobasa Biakodanum I available for selection. I'm Madrid against Villarreal and you also to me Popo and some I'm France national team what can jump on the phone say Nehuntono, Wabaso easy international break, at the recover, and Namano Kasai, say, yes, say, a brantia, your father say, Mbappe, or no, and a catcher manager, Francis Ancelotti say, one would come against Lee, our France, our Champions League, anymore, a BM, as I am match, Bono, and also against Villawono, yes, a brand catcher manager, and swap, Obia Castle, better than a friend, our Chumiansa, now miraculously, after just 1 week, one Abaswaba, one Montana, France. Kadiamopa, Samunim Yoma Elcoswa, a boino, and a catcher manager, and Watono, Nam Obetimia Popo against Lee and Wati, Wobetimia Bo against Bobakua, your fathers have Viao, our Bramano Casadia Messakan Saudru, and your France, Omanasha Tima, Woman start to say Yenche and Bantano, and some friends, Samokaya, last week, Quana Messiah, Akomia, a crack as a sanitary and your boino, Yenche and Bant, and friends, and Meno Casai, Woman consider goalkeeper, your fans are Mike Menor. So I'm quite from Mike Menor. Metis a Barcelona, Quatana, your fan Jules Kunde, Ominano, and some Nabetmiaja and Brandon our bra in Palpens, Ambania, Yakanasa International assignment to Dominus Matters, Abasomiano, and some Nabetmia and Brantano, and Mubako, some Anono, Namame Bonsa, woman Janum, I answer Flick, William Sansa Flick, I say. And now no say what did he about Lewandowski? What kind of some few weeks ago? Okay, I'm on for saying man coach your castle or make I pa okay, I'm a kind. And me assign the excerpts also so okay say Lewandowski I had the best number 9 the last 10 years. Not just the last decade, striker BNY. Nessa so Edison Aquatana. Your fan say Robert Lewandowski and no buy. And on a draw after Lewandowski you see best 32 minutes hat-trick our way against Alaves our first half nemono and many Ghana say yakasa Lewandowski biam and say yakasa player be a dominant our opponent in the penalty area Lewandowski any classmate and teams are two different eras and today mamon compare untimin compare a man in your coach your fan Hansi Flick.
I don't like to compare this because a different team, different situation, different, Also, this team is completely, I think, completely different. It's really nice to work with them. I always say this, it's really like that, and I'm happy to be the coach, and also my coaching staff is happy to be here. And at the moment, it feels really good. But I know also that in football, things can change really quickly. So it's now we appreciate that, and we work like we did before. So very focused about that, and also step by step every match. It's the importance match, and so this is what we
Yes, I know. I am some manager fans answer flick and now test what about signing post match. Of course, what then somebody to jar won't to mean far. I have just or no our Bamunchin and compare and they are all coach Bobo fans of Barcelona. No, I am the Tabana Jabba Conas a bonsa and I'm no Casa Unimsa, Yakasa attacking trial, not just a boss anymore. No, Weber Farrow Lewandowski, Lamin Jamal, our Nifana, Rafinha, our Benkum, Amumiasa, and an Oko Europe, I'm a top fiver. Women's early Desansa, Womumi and San Cabum and combined 23 goals at Yama FC Barcelona. I have 5 more, Echan Bamunchin, I have 9 more, Echan Real Madrid, not as a trial away. Womu Yajuma, when you compare trial, our Bamunchin, and compare trial, and some our Real Madrid, Nasa, I had yes a Bas and Kodan Yajuma Pa. Now you will say Lewandowski, sir, and then you didn't ask some understanding at Damontum and what you need a kind of connection at Dawo and Lamin Jamal and Rafinha and Tam Aya come up a secret, you know, and a diamond, the Mona says, our Europe, Yentia Lewandowski.
Of course, I think we understand each together more than before, and also the connection on the pitch is the most important. But I think that all team playing also for us, and also the players that playing well in defensive, that we have more more confidence playing forward, more with the risk also, and we know that we are take care behind. So it's always if you're playing from the defense to the forward like that in the wide direction, that is the perfect solution. So of course, we are happy that we scoring the goals, but in the end, all team working offensive, and also we have to work in the defensive.
Yes, na chase omo ya jumanemum ni nyina na chase omo kamum a chase omo kwa womo ko omo defending so omo defend eno aya asoma branch Van Lewandowski area tuja ya den update ema ya for ene anopai and some our show no so na diamen second say and say Leroy Sané situation our Bamunchin no metis still FC Barcelona and so monitor Bamunchin akwada na ya fan say Leroy Sané omunya samani mu no womo so ababasa akwada no womo edene baba me no kase mamina ya fan say Lena Ford ono aya institutional vice president FC Barcelona ya kase na no pe mamini nie na ya tane say ne dwumadi aguso elkoso no nyina no wo kire aya Barcelona okay some weeks ago me de batu dwama me catch us a Barca American popo our can new ansana fi akọ na wie ye nemom wo me can be a capacity a little over 60,000 story am the buyer some weeks ago Elena Ford I confirm it and anope say nyame ya duma club no aye do betimi bi asa wo abo game our can new ansana fi and some akọ na wie ye nemom wo say by 2026 na Chelsea stadium no aye 100% complete nemom omuntimi Chelsea bi aye dase and say bi aye dase and be 100% aye completion abeya duma na de onim an say one bobo game and sana this year akwanari ya and you pass 62,000 and about our cameo where about temporary access point and I just some easy now I'm light now okay me back and some chiro and maybe I come on the say can say light and say something in another day one some installation in ansana one first game crown also abaso and watch washroom sebia one so use ebia toilet no and sample one so use ebia and can say sinks out to an no one some install every and a car park a spaces no one do 200 and some other cow now I'm say come say yeah but game our come new ansana CZ and some aquanaria dear mammy take it your prices living in your heart here ebi and so aye 755 euros and aye grandstand just a grandstand you know aye 131 million titisikano I no that's a 13,158 Ghana and aye grandstand oko and China center no and some aye 463 euros and no aye 8,080 million and kanisika and a gold north and a gold sud and aye north and south now just a polachi also aye 295 euros and kwano aye 5,141 Ghana now the more can say and a more than a 2 days ultimate trust kind of cramoma. One so wet me at 1 installment. I know I had their bass and part for the 2 days. Among Fonso Abba and Sana Sisi and some acquirement installment. No, one was Abba J. Arches and some update about 170. Yet the Emma yet for an anno pay. I was shown us all kinds of Arsenal. One more game, and maybe as a last week anymore. I mean, on say Conor McGregor. One at the Emirates Stadium. I'm a pitch so yet him say at Jeba Quabra from Fanny Agro. I am a pitch, McGregor. Now they can't crack a bobia and son on nature. I declare rice and some other Bukao Sakanum. I'm on some German Shaka video. I don't know about UFC or the pitch so I done in a ring him. Say yes, they're crossing an Arsenal for a day. Never go. Now, Javier is a McGregor. Yes, Arsenal pen for say, woman, I consider a new protocols. I know I match day to Serbia, and I'm so I know you take it. Abatina, a royal boxer, you bet your limit, untiaha. Faha unsiha sa protocols ni nyinaro report am nsa kan say yesem omne ba begua kwam se be a ade akono McGregor ayeye no ebi nsom nkonkwasi biem wonim se enwa game a Manchester Coco Boy Manchester Aston Villa wo supporters na do baby no mo chante omo say Man U captain na ye fan Bruno Fernandes no o sa rat na rat dia say ana dia kusie no aha woman say Manchester captain was a kusie nam say hey na chesam krofo we die no ma so mo twane mo na we ya so na be ado mo kan nyina sa Man U captain esa kusie a omo condemnium no enso akos enra na manager for certain ha kan was say Manchester nya form apɛ na international break ababetwam Man U was mo mani tua mo ho bi sa omo nya good time I was an kabia wo mo to so apobon say players no wo mo kwawe omo kobo ball ejama omo national team ni ebisa coach no so pani uni Ineos ekasa was it da bia omo dim komo ana ye international break so wo me say dim komo timu a mo ye an ana bi onim padifo no kran kasa according to manager no say oni honest ne da bia omo dim komo yentie Man United coach ye friend Eric Ten Hag
continue with them. And just after the game, I have to do my job, talk with the players, manage the players, and answer questions for you. We always talk. Every week, I would say every day we talk. So yeah, I expect them, I will speak with them. So I don't have any idea that it's different, because they should have told me. We communicate very open, very transparent. I speak...
yes, na chese bibi wo hono man ka bia bana osanka communication and so aya dwuma no mudin komo a chese ni nyina no aya sama manager fan say Tanak now tese ye den nsem ema no mom dia men say kan say meeting na make one some show last week he say ababa so nyame ya doma watching Tuesday e baso as planned aya dia manager no wo mo aba discuss ni mom ena dia men say kan say o bompa say obenya Ten Hag Messi ni bi awo abrabom na ni nyina say you say no hierarchy no yes be mo agitum say ni kwan say wo mo apamu coach no eni kwan say omo pamo manager no na omo diri e ba say manager no the right man adem omo progressor wo mo so the right man and some adem aye team na wo mo build the project ni nyina no no and also to aso aye as of now and no your story I mean na mom okay some be Thomas Tuchel and some actual last week and man dano pay yes say ono and oye the preferred choice woman did you about say oh Ten Hag get here and you Tuchel and also oba make sure last week so much starting command cry and pay but again say hierarchy no members in be full say the so pamu coach no ema ono and some kwani nyina no update and no so enwa coach na your friend Nuno Espirito Santo wonom about Chelsea team na baso was it Chelsea for na wo mo very good team na Maresca juma pa a chese juma Maresca ebono amazing odidi GDA pass it almost bomb ball. Say Chelsea keep you possession. And I said almost run our lines. One no Spirito Santo. And some about Maraska Basuna Maraska dear. Was say Yababa started season, you know. Sankobi Bekasa Ebia. Yabaka the first international break. Near quite the second international break and Kabia Chelsea. And some about top 4. I may be a modern one at Tisan Kamokran Kamunjini, Kadokra, Kamokramunini, Danasune, and your resource in the Kakakran here. Love Chelsea, El Kwana said, Yanuma, SC Quadama Chelsea, and no, and the idea about what did you are you positive, and some other money team. Why are your manager, Francis Enzo Maraska?
I think when we start the season, some of us, or in general, you think, you know, that the second international break, you are fourth, and the team is playing in the way we are playing, learning to play different kind of games. For sure, it's something that I'm very happy. Then, yeah, 7 games, 14 points, it's important, but for me, it's also important to see the way we get 14 points, and it has been in different way, different kind of games, home, away. So, team like today that they sit back, it's difficult. Team that they try to be aggressive, you have to use different weapons. But I think in general we are very happy where we are. But for sure, we can do many things better.
Yes, and no, I am some Chelsea coach Enzo Maresca now test Yadene accepts Emma Yetifo and Anope, and some our shown so many Janis Seminano, Yad to Jao Kaisa Yabet deep manager. You found a Pep Guardiola, I won't come Emma last week, you know, on in future or cast on discuss it. No songs, and baby, I'm a far way at your few. I'm a trust say, GD Ewom, say a real season where ya manager found a Pep Guardiola, Ebeko. Menim sabana Arsenal for beju suye because on the dominate ye na genti almost say manager na be kwon say report to me say kan so enya bibia na asi what did ye basa debi also ye Edinburgh Manchester City bia no why na mon Champions League geta what ma ba be Premier League na mon tan ye magye ato so makoma yensa edeko enan e ma record at Manchester United sete wo ma ayiku asam breaki wo ma sete for frontier ade biam and also no coach fan say Pep aye na omri kan agreement say yababa start season so bowia wonom ebetumi akwa empanfo no nyina no womo so atiase no mo me no ka say Man City mpanfo no Sheikh Mansour bin Zaid Al Nahyan and we fan say Khardoun Al Mubarak no womo try so be convince manager no but jame say kan so omo a womo ben coach no pa ba so mo chasa with Pep there. You never know. Bibia betumi asi say bia manager no adene word ebe ne word obeko ana say bia Pep there o tight na chibebra a amount says from achese no enso ay update eba ho nsam no ye de ema ye for enano pay enso awo show no so Mohamed Salah koma na make besi na Liverpool team no ye so mo giri e ba se ba bi o madru aya impasse na chese progress bia ni ho a eba aya contract extension ananse aya contract renewal and komani mo no wo mo giri o de boy in international break emra and watch Van Dijk and some ankomra na Liverpool for say Madrid for ya no mo ho asiro na anya bi obi aka cho say Arnold no Upper Madrid abo ana aya question ana mo bisa wo bi asa aka cho say Liverpool no wo bati ase aton akwada na mana kwana boy no or Liverpool akwada ketekete ana wo baba bedru na mana ka say boy no wonya 26 years omo tiri e ba sa akwada no wonim ju any derby enti Arnold any babia ko ana omumi ensakra wo ka player wom giri eba sen renewal ebedi campasua enom aye Trent Alexander-Arnold ono adebedi ka extended a contract to boy ne de oni babia ko achese ne nyina no ensom aye update eba onsam no ye de emiyete for Inter Milan wom coach no ama players no aye 3.5 days off enti nyame yadema Wednesday ana boys no eba zumu training omo man kwani a ye can say international break on Wednesday. Woman never started training archers and you know, and some I update about on some yet Emma yet for and pay and some I was sure so Mike. My memory on my nafe BBI come dear.
Oh, fancy BBI come BBI come. Enzagina my you for a necope and I say no cre or say any idea of confirm me and obey BBI but yenchia etie for near for na. Yes, and some more kwaba. A Monday beyond yaba. You won't come on quite the nature say. Nyome koye Yankopon. I can't hear the akati as a form. So there is hope, and there is an opportunity to go better than we did yesterday. So it is a beautiful brand new day in Yankoyenim. Fancy to start with. I think say I should reserve special praise and mention for Liverpool. Award the Omoye. You see, in the transfer period, and I be a summer transfer window, no, a lot of clubs in your opportunities to beef up on teams, with acquisitions and our players or modeba. For every new coach or Premier League name to be able to see a chance to compete. I now here see a disika betu unsem sefakoto asume si ano benten fa be show team nim na shemukina. It happened with Pep Guardiola. Guardiola ba league nim summer 2016. He spent no less than £135 million. And the kofa okay Gundogan, Nolito, Claudio Bravo.
Yeah.
Even with that first initial outlay, and then City continued spending to ensure that they will mold teamer Pep Wano into team or no better media ball. And then eventually they started dominating. Klopp, Obera Liverpool team nimno, they were able to acquire certain valuable assets about transforming the fortunes of Liverpool. Sadio Mane, Yehu Alisson Becker, Virgil van Dijk, Mo Salah. So Yehu say a trend be a say Liverpool bought players to improve the overall Liverpool setup, to make sure that Klopp will be in a position to compete. Antonio Conte was also a league winner in 2016. 2016, the Chelsea man are not less than £150 million. And Ubi, N'Golo Conte for £34 million. So it means that the last three managers, our match the Premier League title, they were given money to spend to position their teams at a place a Buamo Magic title. And Slot was not offered that comfort. But I think that the start on the Liverpool team, it is highly impressive. And the Sepatasi Bonabaso. And your coach Bia and a bit me say. And it is not just the result, but the performance as well. And then the improvement of players Bia now come on the fringes. And they are sure starters and they are key influencers in the Liverpool team. And to the opening so today I decided to say special mention and special praise for Arne Slot. But what shall I say and as I did so one found then eventually the effort in Bibiano Yenshadam praise at the end. Liverpool have started well, but it is about the consistency and how far they can go, especially fighting for the title against a Manchester City team. They are more of a title-winning machine. They have everything, squad in depth, an experienced manager, and a winning mentality. But so far, so very good for Arne Slot and what he has done. Fancy say, yeah, Bible no kasabi eka na me bono tofo say, I say what ti abofra. Titino a kwanya sene fata so sene beya so nyinia sancheche na de man no. And na abofra no behwe so de abobra. I hope you get it. So clearly, if you want to train a footballer, no yakoda, there are certain values and principles you inculcate into sakodano. Send a beya onyini wiya. Sadia nini benyini ne wetimi de djuma yiye. Mesha say wa Portugal. Porto ne Sporting Braga ne boy. The game was tied at 1-1 as at the 59th minute. And a throw in by. The throw in nearby, the ball boy was quick enough. Then, Otobo and Tentem, the Maputo player, they effected the throw in quickly and settled Sporting Braga defense, and they shared the second goal. That goal eventually became the winning goal. And Nico Gonzalez, former Barca midfielder and a J man of the match, no, see, Davey. Say, Okaso no kwe J no monyam na fa. He will undermine the efforts of that ball boy and then the quick thinking abilities. Sharak Mwaye, Oma and Nico, any Porto ball boy, how they celebrated the man of the match. No, we saw Okofo Danime womb because of time. So he offered a MVP to Aquadano. Aquadano, a small boy. Your friend Gonzalo Cruz. About the Mapoto under 15.
It is said maybe a true Jose now Tottenham.
Exactly. Yeah. I think the Roma cross will be
invite Aquadana man lunch.
Yeah. Liverpool and then Barcelona. Corner taking quickly. You see some of these things. The game no away mono. omutimi ye ni ye mebo omo nioma me konka ntie nie. This is the incident so here with TV so and now behu ni ye pa so start video na ball boy in a shape babe a year orange ball ni control then he quickly moved ball na ekita no obi atia no so fambrao and a 59th minute sadia when nki ye no 90th minute equal time equal but fe na second half na shase but he quickly thought say na what say me ye send ye be ya ebebu ama me team no enso nya advantage we yakoda akuma obo under 15 a Porto team no. So at the age of a year less than 15, now our sa a dream way, the mindset. Imagine say Obenyini ever a professional footballer. What kind of mindset will he have? A winner's mentality. And everything
Sompa
and anything obey or the baby ni bian obey. Say na we more moteti or footballers no. Me pesi esua di frame. Yani ya betra ya nkwada no ball ne bonkwa. But we forget that football no enya ne ball ne nkwa ne ma wini. There are certain 1+1 be where you 2. I was how the BB can on the CP.
Say ankanda normal circumstance anke bi a house of folk eba house aroras and kodani bi no was say beyond bay boys
no. Then some of these things omo the rank kodanim na emo musua na omo improve
in the past no mo ye. Wow.
So Gonzalo Cruz a why sade we no. Emre be bebo obenyini ebe ka ne ho. Distance obefen ana omo de omo ye bibi huhu the mindset, the mentality and football na ya adwene ye debo. If you don't toughen up and develop that mentality from the scratch, unyini a den se ubenya. Ain't na most times and often times because Africa players the omunye ska no matiada. They are not ambitious enough. Ambition is what drives most of these players omobo mainstream Europe. And ambitions of a young boy fuel the win for FC Porto. The same ambitions. You see, at times you hold yourself to high standards. Say, Sauba bedi jumana and Swenia, one kasa umuno, you are not so delighted or you are not so happy. Etu obia chese botaeke siesu eniswa. Opesa o ya die Bruce ubiano. You have this ambition. Ya Lami Yamal. Sawoshe Basa game on Moboya against Alabesa. You will see clearly. Ye in a Freemuno. What happened? He was not too happy. Shadrack my video now. Lami Yamal Freemuno Chiai. Then Ochia Obia, but awkward Naseno. He was not himself. Ya wada obedia to himself. Oh, and the my year Jumapa. And Timianka Same Bob and Huabaso at the Syrian and Nam. And they were da, said Charlie, and the dear, they were Pesamiano, and Tian found a team new winnie, and answer Omu Lucy. It will affect you personally. And this is the moment Lami Yamal entered. Maybe he needed more time to correct Nyomo no feel say Anko Yamfamano. But the technical managers are also managing his minutes. Send a beya way no so about matches no do Enko fa how be Breno. But I'm looking at the standards of this young boy. Barcelona did 3-0. O my winning game so
still with
films in the bua funny ho. Say Nadia na my I could have done more. And at the age of 17, no, yes, I did way I fancy. They're natural. His mentality again, a elite.
Donka 17, Menyeska, Matufia Mampapa, Matubia Mame, Maji Euros, Mebo Barcelona. Now to be am Jiska Kasi Michi Brabus, Kadiabium.
Season Krawashas ye, match you cry, cry team ye winning Kadiabium. But he's not.
And Lewandowski can't bear 2 weeks ago, I didn't accept about say, let's not forget, said the next 10 years. Now for Lamia 27.
Exactly.
The next 15 years, now for 32.
Exactly. So with this mentality, definitely he's destined for the top. And I want everybody to learn. Be ambitious as ever and hold yourself to high standards. Don't compromise on the obetimia na etimia bua peja. But basa team na mpese mi di hon komo kakra. Fancy, the point is that se coach ye ejumua. Ejuma no, it reflects on the individuals and then also the team. Basa team ye hu improvement to but also the individuals as well. And so check La Liga. Offensive metrics, they check players more modern. Shara Kemaya statistics. No? In almost every metric, you see 2 passer players in there. Lewandowski at top the top scorers. Yes. Over 10 goals in the league. 12 goals overall in 11 games. Rafinha Dinwum. Oba shorter. Lewandowski is in there. Rafinha is in there. Okwa passes Inigo Martinez or a defender is in there. Paul Kubasi. Ensuum. Oba assister, Lami Yamal, Rafinha. Recoveries no munim, and saves no munim. But I was speaking to offensive metrics.
Yeah, okay, offensive.
So Barca, Adiebia, sa obof front three. But I want to make them a quartet because me the Pedri account.
Okay.
So Lewandowski, Yamal, Rafinha, and then Pedri, Sami and Sano. Our Muda Lewandowski chino. They are creative and then they are imaginative aspect of their game. Ebuama, it is bringing the best out of Lewandowski. Enra, check it goes, Washe. Baku yeniti, Baku ye tapping, Anna Baku, so he positioned himself with a 10 and a typical striker's goal. Striker, yes, I did what is in Nyaje. Where you play and Kajabi person come moving on. He's turned around the corner and then he's giving us productive minutes. Odi not on Rafinha. He's a player Barca wanted to move on. Enra, he wore the captain's armband and he demonstrated why he's also a rediscovered player for Barcelona. I could go on and mention several names, but who say individual players within the Barca team are improving. Hansi Flick has turned on the switch. We're flicking on. And when the switch is on, a best will be so I say everybody will see the light and then they will deliver. And that is a typical coach's job. And when I'm they command you, now I hear a different storyline. The storyline is that, and how your man you line up no?
Yeah,
good.
Especially almost central defense.
Good. Sharak, man you bench Enra. And man you bench no, so the Toswa, or ya line in the red. Players at Ten Hag, Nankasa de man you boboku him. Their bench Enra, it cost 400 million pounds. And Enra was seen as a make or break game for Ten Hag. Under normal circumstances. Say a game where more do also then that is the game you use the players you trust. The Oko for mobile. But the two centre backs now Oko for mobile. No? Delete Martinez. Omote bench. Manuel Ugarte, me feel a year confident about be silly glue or the BB eba or the bench. Anthony, attacking option, creativity or what they say or the bench. What is happening? The coach has even lost trust in his a year soldiers or no idea or mobile for battle. And in the final battle to determine the fate, he did not rest on them. But rather, player back or casting away. AJ captaincy feelings and Harry Maguire. A player who has played United went away and is back. Johnny Evans. They were the ones who had to show up the back for him.
Emma Evans said
so
man of the match.
A lot of questions about Ten Hag. And now he's able to improve players overall. Wabua players, Nibi. Garnacho, Kobe Mainoo, we've seen them. But only a general assessment of individual players away United. There is a clear indication there. Ten Hag has struggled to add something to their game. And the players have either said, Oma Koma Nemu, and now said they have retrogressed in terms of their performance. And players of Moja Wakono, a big ball Mohammedan, and me Ten Hag no, a good 7 animase. Bako, David De Gea. Again, I am moving across Europe. And Enra, De Gea was spectacular.
Yeah.
Sereamu in 9 seasons, nebin sida. For a goalkeeper to save 2 penalties in a single game. Nebin see in 9 seasons until De Gea showed up.
Somewhere last month in Europe was on CV Fiorentina for.
Way a goalkeeper, Ten Hag Tottenham. He was let go in a very bad manner. The kind of farewell on United, David De Gea, no, it is not befitting of a goalkeeper who came to serve. But, you know, Fiorentina accepted him. And Enra, he was the one who stood in between a win and a defeat for Fiorentina. At the end of the year, he saved the 2 penalty, but not just that. Sharak Emma David De Gea, the overall statistics and the performance, you will see clearly he prevented 2.43 goals. Yeah. Or prevented 2.43 goals. So without him, they could have lost the game by 4-2.
Yes.
With him, they won the game by 2-1. And Anubi Neche and your tactics in at times winning games. No, there are times where individuals who see was there, media may ajimai, Maji Okunwe se meyekun, and then David here Gento Kwana Koma Fiorentina and delivered a win for Rafael Palladino at the expense of AC Milan and then Paulo Fonseca. So these are some of the highlights, of course. But overall, the best goalkeeper in the Premier League now, AMI.
For now.
Yeah.
I said Unana 4 clean sheets. For now, only the Golden Glove.
No. So all the clean sheets.
Now,
okay. So yeah. You see, you look out for goals for strikers.
Yes.
Goalkeepers, I think it should be safe. And then short
also,
space.
Clean sheet in the judge.
So season,
yeah.
But say what face is short the same. If I have faced 100 shots, now my chimu 90, ne ya shame 10 goals. It doesn't make me a bad goalkeeper.
And it's Robert Sanchez.
Good. And one of my the other two way. And it's like my statistics, no.
Sanchez.
For saves in the Premier League 2024-2025, Robert Sanchez is first. Saves from outside the box or your first. Diving saves first. Standing saves first. Keeper swing sweeper regains or your first.
And that's all we need from
no top side where we need a title have done so with a G3 or an average goalkeeper. Team B or Peja B or G crew piano. Now goalkeeper them no or your strong. Liverpool when they won the Premier League, it was because Alisson was also in there. Ederson for Manchester City. I could go on and mention a tall list of players. Oko Madrid, there is Thibaut Courtois. So the point I'm making is for Chelsea to be finally considered as a genuine title contender, which they are not yet, but they are on course, they will need a top goalkeeper. And the performances of Robert Sanchez, I won't say early signs near, but it needs to be more consistent. It needs to be better. And then it will help transform the team into a title contender. Until I heard them come on the baby.
Whoa. Mate, me that say in Busteba Mesha police near drone e we jaso abomodi anso be pebi enso anam na support your immune system no e be tu malaria fever honam re na face wonum e onyono na wodidi onche aduane da police near dro e na eboa wo afa ye the Imbust pharmacy aba mo ma bi mo over the counters afa mo bi mo pharmaceutical shops and herbal shops no Imbust pharmacy e wholesale enko a orthodox enro ene abibi dro no de opebia duduom upebia 2 akwakoton a 0246 208496 omo enso ewo eye kodi offensive kwan so heya na behu Imbust pharmacy eno no afa op wallpapers no oba bejo de e free na so eye wallpapers colors and designs ewo me no enso ene ne blind curtains ene nam ema dema cca offices ene be bia be so your deco bia no eye fine tv backlight adebo tv achi self-filming light and blind curtains afa center carpets air diffusers flowers and the wall clocks no op ewa doom pz na kwasi ajaman building mu ana chronom barrier on the market no edi enimhwe 0540 353750 apostle
fancy boko there
nyame adom na so
na enra mo de not for residency
Sompa sport
bana wa ne abri
enra no no mo pin no mo tie kire no so mo twen se famra
oh okay
omo lose game o share Liverpool
no expo mi bisa so share wan me no match na make one say member church ni Paul share again na make you see mo match on boy
Sompa sport I home
right okay
there's more form pa
fancy me mami come say afi Michael Kwana can be Michael Kra before this be who cried was saying
flag dem say
oh nya ko bi am say
upgrade on Xavier
yo obi oji champion upgrade on Xavier now, so your AFCON qualifier this week, I can say CAF Achurama Orakusi appear to say for the 2 games I have a ball against Sudan. There will be conflict of interest. So Oracle is new from meetings of the FA till after that one, which is an appropriate, the right thing to do anyway. Or in any case, he's doing that anyway. So I think just a reminder, and it shows you how important this is, the game on Thursday. So here preview some of the key games this week. And then Michelle is here from Senegal for special reasons. Senegal, Malawi. Now the Senegal team have been struggling before Aliou Cisse or Fayano. On say the World Cup qualifier was Senegal, DRC Senegal 1-1. Then the AFCON qualifier, DRC Burkina Faso, drew 1-1. Or Dakar, of course, who was such a star-studded team. And yeah, dear, when they best start to say, if such results are not going quite well for you. Now, so the decision has been taken, a big decision. This decision, a political decision. The decision was coming from Basiru Diomaye Faye, the president, communicated by Kadi Dien Gay, Minister of Youth and Sports. Now, decision, normal take a decision every. Now, Papa Thiaw ebe acting interimly as the coach for the Senegal national team. Don't forget, Papa Thiaw was part of the 2002 squad. I mean, for Henry Camara, any Kalou Fadiga, any Elijah Diop, he would have had opportunity to play because he was a striker, so he was on the bench. But Ube Kaina, he brought under 25. He assisted, I used to say when he came, he was under 23 coach 2012. So Papa Thiaw, in fact, tactically, Papa Thiaw is better than Ali Cisse. The Papa Thiaw, an assistant, the Papa Thiaw took under 23 team, no, EBG Chan Tournament 2022. So Papa Thiaw Bano, and even in fact, the AFCON 2023 Elite Coaches Symposium, he was one of the teachers there. He's good, but different from managing egos, which he has not managed before. So there's here. After Ali Cisse, he's done his bid, he's gone. Sompa send him to tell me, say, you should come and defend AFCON after Asan Shahata, Eji Sebi 206, 208, you know. When after Eji, but it's not that easy to say that should be a standard objective for him. Somebody who has won the cup for you, something you've not won before. And then you also say, on the quarter final of the World Cup. Is it World Cup, no? Fusa, how many times have you seen Senegal? Their history got to the quarterfinals after 2002. So, yeah, prepare quite say those are some of the things that happen. But for 9 solid, he's done very well for the nation. Those are the legacy you leave. I call final back. Now look, he's made wonderful transitions. Ali Cisse, 2019, brought Alfred Gomis. It was a decision he had to take. Eduardo Mendy was now emerging. And all decided to know. Alfred Gomis or experience me for no mom now Eduardo Mendy with time remember soon. So he decided to Alfred Gomis, even though Eduardo Mendy was doing better than him. Lamine, okay, wonderful Gassama was there. He brought Yusuf Sabali, Sheku Koyate, Salif Sani, okay, Salif Sani, Shaka Ofo, yes. And then Sadio Mane came, Ishmael Sarr came into that, Henry Saviet, Keita Balde, Musa Wagi. They came to the process and went to the final, lost 2019 to Baghdad Bunajad. Then come 2021 against Egypt. Then after was Eduardo Mendy now came up to be number 1 goalkeeper. So you have Senedien, Moridao, Omodi Nechisa, he's from another top 3 goalkeeping department. Then brought Khalidou Koulibaly along. Then Abdou Diallo. That's when we started seeing Abdou Diallo very well. The national team, he came up there. And then you saw Saliou Cisse as left back, Buna Sarr right back, Nampale Mendy DM, Idrissa Gana Gueye box to box, Sheku Koyate central midfielder. Then that squad again, Sadio Mane, Famari Diédhiou, then Ismail Sarr, Crepin Diatta won the cup. Now Osha currently, you see, sir, apart from the goalkeeping department, what is left for Papa Thiaw? You realize he's now using Ishmael Jacobs left back. Then there's Malik Baba Diop, left-handed centre back, left back. Abdou Diallo still Honomo. Musa Niakite. He's bringing Musa Niakite as a transition because Khalidou is 33 years old. Famose Mendy playing at the right back. Now, Lamine Camara, 21-year-old, will be taking over from Idrissa Gana Gueye. Papa Gueye is playing the midfield now. Or Habib Diarra, 20 years. Papa Matassa, 22. Dion Lopi 22. So Wajatum says Sheku Koyate 34 aircore, Idrissa Gana Gueye 35 aircore. But look at the midfield, an average midfield of 21 years. Who are Pate Cisse, who are Emma Ndiaye, who are 27, 28 taking over. The major problem for the Senegalese national team is up front. When Manili failed to live up to expectation, Nicolas Jackson have been terrible. Habib Diallo, terrible. Bouladia, terrible. Abdouman Asima, terrible. So Senegal team is strong. Problem they have is up front. Once Sadio had decided, say, look, the game against Burkina Faso, after Sadio scored in the 60 minutes, that was it. They went off. Nicolas Jackson was in that game. Habib Diallo free bench by. That is a puzzle. I say Abrantier, Papa Thiaw, and Sophie for the Senegalese national team. But against Malawi, who have lost to Burundi and lost to Burkina Faso, or conceding 6 goals, they should be good enough. Where the first test for Papa Thiaw at home, he should be able to pick the 3 points, because Osha Senegal Lankasa scoring Burundi away 1-0 was not convincing performance. Then playing Burkina Faso 1-1 at home, Sune and Shedan Koye. So this is a but they have the quality now. It's up to Sadio Mane and Kalidou Koulibaly to lead the team in the back-to-back order. This Mre, in the Mre way, they are Somutunu back-to-back to gain the confidence of it. And then Papa Thiaw needs this win at all costs at the time when the boss exited. So for the Senegal and Malawi game, it should be 6 points for Senegal in the back, home and away. Now, Egypt, Mauritania also has lost to Cape Verde. Yes, they won against Botswana, but losing Cape Verde by 2-0. Now, this particular Egyptian side, Hossam Hassan are stamping the authority in the team. And they were making sure, so Obia, and that is what he was with when he was under Mahmoud Gohari in 1998, Burkina Faso, South Africa, South Africa. He was a joint top goal scorer with Benny McCarthy. Then 2006 under Hassan Shehata. Hassan Shehata was ruthless similarities at Mahmoud Gohari. Mahmoud Gohari is the only coach, coach Ali Aji Champions League, coach Zamalek Aji Champions League. That shows the kind of man he is made up of. Now, Wasuya Nema from shrewd, ruthless, top disciplinarian coaches. So he did that in this Egyptian. That's him. No, this man is a general. And when it comes to Egyptian national, GCAF community, nobody can talk. Now, so what he did was that in the game against Cape Verde, a game they won by 3-0, Rami Rabia said first goal, Omar Mamouche said second goal, and then Adel Ibrahim of Pyramids said third goal. So before the game started, on your meeting with Abed Hegazi, under normal circumstances, the Egyptian centre back, Mohamed Abdelmonem and Ofri Ali, then Ahmed Hegazi. But here the meeting said this game, however, Hamdi Fati, our box to box, former Ali player, any Rami Rabia boss centre back. Ahmed Hegazi took offense. So, Ankasa, and on movie Mahmoud Abdel Hassan, our friend Trezeguet, or moving into the midfield and then playing against Marwan Atia. Now, Marwan Atia, Nene Hamdi Fatineta ball as a double pivot. Also, Hamdi is more of a boxer boss. Marwan Atia, a DM. And then he played Ahmed El Said, Mo Salah on the right, Mer Said behind Osama Faisal of Zamalek. Now, in the 79th minute, Ena Abrantie Rami Rabia, a prior. Or prior Pena offer a bench, say, Ahmed Hegazi warm up Embra. Ahmed Hegazi will try to learn Sonkum. And I said, then count yourself out of the national team. Now, after that game, before Botswana 4, then he decided to ask him for the national team. Now, watch this. Here, this young Mustafa Fati, there's a player, Mustafa Fati, or a striker for Pyramids. Oshe Botswana game no share for now. Apart from the 2 goals that was scored by Mahmoud Hassan Trezeguet, you realize that Mustafa Fati share Mo Salah. Now, in this, you realize that Rami Rabia share, Adel Ibrahim from Pyramids share, Mustafa Fati also from Pyramids are scoring. He's not relying on Omar Mamouche. He's not relying on Mustafa Mohammed. He's not relying on Sebi Abranti Ayefren Mo Salah. Because the Egyptian national team, the past, historical, that's the way it has always been. They don't over-rely on top players playing in Europe. They over-rely on home players. So, 2006, you realize that Barakat Ahmed Mutaib was key. Ahmed Zaki Mukra, so much they start from the bench. And so it's the same thing he's going with. He doesn't care. No, that's the Egyptian national team for you. So they have established clubs in Ali Zamalek. You see how the Pyramids players account. So Usha, you have Mohamed Eshenawi as the goalkeeper. He's from Ali. You have Mohamed Hamdi, left back from Pyramids. Right back, Hani Mohammed. Centre back, Rami Rabia from Ali. Now he's using Abranti Efedo Kale Sobi from Ismaili. And Amer Ramadan from Cleopatra. So the point is that Ahmed Hegazi good. As we speak now, Mohamed El the 2 games, El Neni come from the bench. Yes, he's aging, but he has experience. But what he's building is that he's telling you that the Egyptian national team, it doesn't matter the club you play, or form where good Kwandia Obebo. And he's won 2 games by scoring 7 goals so far. So this game against Mauritania, he'll win both games. So Egypt will win both games because they won against Botswana away. They've won 4 and Cape Verde home 3. And the way they are going, the quality of the team. 7 yes. They'll be the winner away. Mauritania they are not playing. Now Nigeria versus Libya. Libya, Libya almost said that, I mean, they drew Rwanda and almost lose to Benin by 2-1. And but now they've given Madame Fogesenego won the job again to make sure say on to us because Nigeria nyanya coach. So as a thinker that he had to come. The only problem with this Nigerian team, Osimhen absence because of injury. And then also, Victor Boniface, so far, he's not really delivered. Which had 2 games that he starts ahead of Victor Osimhen. Victor Osimhen, I'm punishing for Sebi Nyoyeti in the job, but this game or injury. So you only say in that they will not be available. But Ademola look, go back to the AFCON and put the World Cup qualifier. He's rather the best player for the team.
Yeah.
Look, the game against Benin, he scored brace. Yeah. By far. AFCON, World Cup qualifier. He's rather the live wire for not even Victor Osimhen. Who they are here. So for me, so far as he's in form, he's playing very well. And the fact that they've gone back to the system that works for them best. The 3 center back, they have experience. Semi Ajayi, you have William Trostekon, the captain, Calvin Bassey, and Olaina and Brian Onyemachi, brilliant. And indeed, he's constant. So this is a game Nigeria will win the 2 games and to be able to go 10 points. So Nigeria will beat Libya 2 games. Now, if there is a coacher, Sebi, he has surprised me, and I must admit, MS5. On say AFCON, so yes, Jean-Louis Gazier, Assem Neba, so we all think there were factors. But watch this. The man has won the AFCON, and from the World Cup qualifier and AFCON qualifier, check what he's doing. Oye Yahia Fofana, the goalkeeper that starts for Ivory Coast. The game against Zambia, he won 2-0. The game against Chad, or winning 2-0. Now, don't forget, the game against Chad, he won 2-0. Omar Diakite, Jean Crasso of FC Paris. Jean Crasso is the leading marksman for the Ivorian national team now. He's giving a lot of confidence. Jean Crasso, first goal not shared, was a marvel. It shows you player in confidence. Then against Zambia, Jean Crasso shared 2 goals, supported by Adama Traore, the almost brilliant attacking midfielder for FC Basel. And then Simon Adingra. Now, guess what? Now, Yaya Fofana, our boy, as the goalkeeper. Check what is happening now. Winfred Singo has now replaced Segi Aurier. That's what he's doing now. Now, Christopher Operi, I replace Gislan Konan as a left back. The only constant person at the center back is Ivan Indiga. Now, Odilon Kusonu goes to the bench for Emmanuel Agbadu. So clearly, now he's managed a good transition. Now check something. In midfield where he only has Jean-Michel Seri and Frank Kessié, now he's using Simon Adingra on the left, and then Omar Diakite, the strongman, on the right. Then Jean Crasso plays behind Evan Gessard of Nice. Now, so one shall see with Jean Crasso, then you bring Amad Diallo there. There's the young man of Ball Rangers, of friend Mohamed Diomande. Now, he doesn't even call Ibrahim Sangare. So now he honor Diomande. Now, don't forget that the Adama Traore boy is a silky, brilliant, skillful player. As we speak, Sebastian Heller has not been called for the 2 games. Because or Jean Crasso, or Simon Adingra, Oman Diakite, and they are all scoring. Nipa IB as a CR on to me, or Sebi as a Duke on to me, share Ivan Gessenis striker. No. So clearly, we say MS5 has a plan for what he's doing. And this game against Sierra Leone, Cote d'Ivoire are going to win home back to back. Okay. 6 points for Cote d'Ivoire in this particular game.
Sompa Sports.
Watching, I'll continue with the rest of the
Mate Apostle. Mate, Medasepa. Mike Ness starting from Apostle, starting from Senegal.
Malawi. Egypt, Mauritania.
Me kwa me come on beshe no. Aha, na say home na we nyina monye nto. Oh, my mate me da say ya na me wi awa so ama me na. O mo fa ma fa. Ma bro. Well, time about Miss Channel, I will just so a time about center and pen for and a day abay a drawback whereby and yet now all your banners were for and your mouth, Wabofrano, Onimun Fiadumino, and Manin Numbi, and our fame, Mammy Swa, wow from our Bertrand Fuano and ye Emma at your time. Herba Mesha and no enable to malaria fever say, Abama when I'm rare and I'm Pocrani Pedriano, and so and yan what demapa, Upe dread from the time. H about Mesha and then the capsules Nibianoma. Ya to mubako sobeto capsules sobeto heba mesha mubi abeto biano aya djuma bako esiesi oba na ma nyoma ye fine ediama wo ho obeduo neat na chesama onu kunu hyiam adrebiano enkonkoba se bia bema ne ba benwinwi bia ana bema nso mema yo ema nyoma ye fine na yi nsufita na etafri eye obema mu ba nyina na ebejai na upebi etu atonwa number no eye 0244 417669. Our Vice President, His Excellency Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, was at Ghana for Monkano on the 7th of December. Montomano, na Dr. Mahmoud Baumia say Yamonkai so the number 1. And so our ballot a sheet in this one as a ballot paper no soon to drew. A polling station now kwa tuaba. I ask you number 1. Now His Excellency Vice President as well no. In a day, innovations out of it is digital Ghana agenda. I just said, baby, is mobile money interpretability. A buy a fay e-pharmacy. A yonwa and a zip line medical drone delivery. A system in ano and so in Sanwa Juma and or say in vision. A very simple or basu ma a modern efficient Ghana nempo or matches and fasudio P and so eba and Ghana deserve a leader be at a no ne track record ekasa edeman aye Dr. Mahmoud Baumia or se kai ne to abamano na yem build the future together. Dr. Mahmoud Baumia say is possible. On this note, ya call commercial break abaye ba ya bebana ya ba betwa so yen komre. That you want to man, a quiet Joe. That you want to man, a quiet Joe. That you want to man, a quiet Joe.
Bia ne say BCC will sing na yabo will sing ho ban ama wonum enso ati anase will sing animonyam so afa na ntuma pa efi wo fixed one no anase ye tafre no permanent one no eno susu yesi a untimi entu bi eno ene yefe no PFM bridge anase PFM crown afi yesan eye cleaning services oba ye profession no mu na yefe no scaling and polishing se ebia enema bi ahyehyehye esen no mu se bi o kasa etimi mapampan ene ade ebabu na no oba gentleman dental ye ni nyina bi ewo ho gentleman dental kan na ye wo Koforidua Central Police Station enchenwa na wudru enkran so a ye wo nungwa na atomic down do me kwa benya runabout no so na wudru takwade pipe ano traffic light na ewo pipe ano ye ne OGN bank na wo the same premises na kachiman so ye wo magazine market kwan no so wa anase opposite AY Ahmed na wudru Kumasi Abrepo Junction Total Filling Station wa traffic light na anihwe G runabout no wo free Total Filling Station na ya bron sign no na edi ho ye adwuma free eda joada kopem eda memeda witimi afreya homa no e wo 055 913 9582
if I shop na me shade o bag
bra ade enna so bi
na tell me me share me see ba queen why me say
bra said the time heba mesha esia gimi ni me fiefo enya dia ba ko pe ebe so ye
me dey do this o fa ni nyina
bra se me ka se me di time heba mesha ho adanse a riase nyina ebe te me nka enti se malaria wadra ni time heba mesha
enya nu go die na nu mato a wontimi eni die no wadra ni time heba mesha edre enye ma oba wa fa afuro die wo ma akoda no fo ene akoda woni mfie dumienu ansa na obeto time heba mesha edre ibi no hwese wako hospital anasa lab am wo hu se wo agide malaria ibi ansa
ayo se time me TIME time heba mesha afi malaria fever bi ada ni ziba ewo mu no ebe tia ubenya bi ato ewo over the counter medicine sellers any herbal shop to do na mu FDA agi edwadue nkratoi atom
Abusaka kraka bi wo hanu meja tom na rewu sebe wo mi se abofra ketu awanya 2 years akada ba ku nti African Spider-Man bla me abofra ketu ayi mo na nipa ho hia dede bi koso no ti kame ho ne ko hede wo mbia African Spider-Man and Baby Sebo Bofay, but preoccuping who's African Jack, what Baby Sebo Bofay, now with secret piano, anything. Imbus Herba Mixture, and only me secret. Now me yet, I'm going to cut out from. And a police me do what I said, many names sunshine, Namisoeno, a boosting immune system. I'm a semi trainer, mentebre. Meet me the come on. I'm going to come with home so across your class, so me die yale, I'm my latitude, me yabaco. And yet, Nakoso. Hey, Spider-Man, what are you going?
Who from a cratching? Ubenya Imbus Herba Mixture, our pharmacy, and answer Herba shops. A pin for any Colombian if you do me, enum. FDA adjudicating tattoo at
so wallpapers, papa, OP wallpapers, and American for mount. So wallpapers at their decorative offices. So fee and sorry, say ye perhaps a hodo. Baby Bia Wian wallpaper, dear do Juma Biano, OP wallpapers, Afro. Yaman wallpapers, a macho blind curtains. A band of bearside lamps and so on. OP, MR types, or mark shapes, colors out donina, Ubenya Biato, Ewana Sweo. Say open LED backlight, at the above flash screen chia, and also OP, Ebemobi. So open selfie ring lights, out of phone bishim, a OP wallpapers, and Ebema selfie ring lights. OP, Ewo Kumasia Doom, first floor, Nana Kwesiajman building, Tafo, GNTC building, first floor, Anachronom, our barrier, on the market and Edian share. So open wholesale, and answer retail, any OP, any in Sawaso. For OP, our 0540 353750.
712
Here is to the friends who took the chance with no regrets. Investors no more hating fortune. To the health workers who diagnosed drugs every move. And then to the hard guy who couldn't hold his emotions. To the passionate fan who couldn't contain his joy. To the seamstress who turned her hand-earned stitches into a bundle of joy. And now, here is to you. Your next big win is right here. From 1st July 2024, dial *712# tickets as a group, individual, to win in the community draw or the grand draw on the 30th of November 2024. Unlock your luck with *712#.
Rated by the NLA on the Caritas platform, not for persons below 18 years. T&Cs apply.
Mamisha, time HH Heba Mr. Binaunumi, and your what dropa, a ya draw. Yadro say, mani pedian kwamwano enya hoden na akwatia yare en twen yare ansan wakwakoto fire wadro na nomno abribia Kanoga Company Limited what the time TIME ebe twasono wono a na the time HH Heba Mr. edia bedwaso akra wonyanya mfisia dumienu enum bi wo pemfo ene oba wo makra nufo enso enum bi time HH Heba Mr. Who benya bi over the counter medicine sellers any shop dodo na mu so wo pedodo to afre 0244 417669 0244 417669 time HH Heba Mr. Yadro say FDA ade edwadie nkratoe atum
Bossu. Yo. Do not tell someone one more do this ano.
Bossu.
Ha!
Do not tell someone one more do this ano.
Ha! Che. Blah. Na we dey discover no de man wetin me mo do ade no
first. Na no makuku dan for mo pe no mo fe anim. Che. So one no Jonathan wa.
Masa we dey no di o.
We am kwa na security a.
Masa kwa bia.
Amaba msika.
Eno aye bia si asema sei.
Che.
Masa. What's that tabani na masa?
She bela kwa nyina sini nchen.
Bela kwa sa sini nchen. Bra. Enti true no de na yey.
Ufie ya the fiensem no enso eba beto so ama Jean's toothpaste and Jean's toothbrush. Ya was Jean's total care, Jean's herbal and afi Jean's whitening nemiensa no de obeto bia. Ya dwuma ema ogam enya hoden mapa afi mo brush mu titi ana mo Jeffrey mo siase ba na bejai. Na uyo bia be se osi chinam gam no enso e function kamana support sina. Abema premolars and molars ni nyina so nyina hoden bia. I was say no enso nya esam wonum eye I will Cassani Pawani Panunity and HS and Entoncha, a Jean's toothpaste and a Jean's toothbrush and a more minty fresh breath. Naman your man, so I have fine at our brush and so or more our prince, princess, a fair duke and a duchess, Nina and a bureau, and tea pebito, our jasso, na a UZ, a fear manioma and quay, and from our buffalo polo say, Yanka say packages no, a dasu ewom uplesi order before 10 o'clock anopa by the close of the very same day on Sabeka Watade no who place order after 10 edia the following day and on Sabeka Watade ayenia your South African print or the pump polo shirt or the pump round neck and v-necks edia mount chest and tadene fe osha odamu stronko which me share edi kobe bia beso de kwabroche fo no omo ato aguso bia pe bia she and our packages no so doso pa dodo bia companies and institutions no and just fan clubs and groups mo be say Bafu Polo epama mubiano ono ebe pam ede amama fei or pam aye kaftan ana Bafu classics no lapel tops and the down ewom ni nyina no so nsano efe ache so sha what they call wedding engagement parties no and the meetings out on the Bafu classics no which me GB enso ehwe ana fe kaftan no so maka wasem atro na adwuma ni mu abie enti se oyo bana no made pam ana so ye bema o adwuma Bafu Polo say yenka cho sa henema kokoben off Santa so boase kwan so 0249600789 Memphis so na fe yam rasway Qualifiers dental clinic say wo aye root canal treatment say wo se no obeso hye crown and say bia bridges e wo mu no obese kika nyina sika mama wo se no NCA obese CA and say bia kaka aba dodom emon abotokro e wo se ase say ye si tokro na ma na fe wo se na etu no obesa replace amanioma ye kama ma dia eno aye Qualifiers dental clinic and also bana obebuama aye cleaning and polishing in ano also oye bi patase omoben Vegas 05459068 8-8 na on the qualitac emperiforum and Casa Enra as Santoro Kwane Lions game no eba so ewo boase na mam results na sashak mam results na mbobo so 1-2 na fe yankwa em real quick way and so week 5 for Abraham so fucking the cowboy has any aduana ebo goalless draw nano ayebedi komo omobo game no Friday ema Saturday ya be discuss Asantoro question 1 ema Lions and to me ante Kawala ewo fie and summer text about 1-1 draw and so atreman esha 3 ema Legon series womote ekanemu bako go Stars and social bako Emma Bechem and to me ante Brokum Charles Elfie Esha 1 Emma Janga Apostles one more and to me ante Afei Dreams FC Elfie Womuluzu 1 Emma Nations Emma Vision FC and social Basake Holy Stars and Kanabakoa omo and to me ante Coach Ogum after the game against Accra Lions no Yintes Ma Santoro coach Prosper ante Ogum and so Eddie Tuja.
Tactical game. If you look at the way they play, they try to keep the ball, play out from the back, especially look for the half spaces, pretend they are not in those spaces, but then when the balls are played into those half spaces, they pick them and then play direct. But then we're able to identify that and also try to cruise them on those half spaces. Well, we knew that once we did not allow them to play from those half spaces, it was going to be very difficult for them to play. So that was exactly what we did. So they couldn't actually play out from the back. We neutralized their strength, which is
yes, and I say almost strength, baby. I want the Ejina Accra Lions for no almost pass born brutal and to say when me omo hodia was so ebe shepa nti mo omo yesa na coach Oguna kwa shepa kono ma so mo pass from the back, you know, and not for mo nti no nan opposite number Ibrahim Tanko after say Tanko Suluzi ama Sandoro ko Enra our boss Ibrahim Tanko and so Ekasai.
And we have a not good first half until 1-0 in the second half, and then we wake up. Definitely second half we play better, but yeah, as all of us saw what the three gentlemen did, yeah, this is how the game ended.
Coach, even at the time you were down, your boys still wanted to play from the back and build up confidently. How
1-0 down doesn't mean you have to just throw everything away. We believe in our system, so definitely like I said, the three gentlemen helped them. So congratulations to Kotoko.
Yes, and was Santoro ko players and so Sasika and wana chese fans no tobacco kono bona boni yedi as hanebeko. Enti ni nyina na no anoma no about our boase Linkle Sports Stadium no Nations and so Abramo kwawe kwa she dreams no Otuado and no stadium after the game. Black Stars a coach Otuado and in Central for Dinkomo. JJ fans ni bia ne okohwe binti fans omuhunu dem say na obi anso yi ne mfonyini we Otuado enso de cheso no kokohwe Nations enso lose and also move far win against Dreams away no players no more na by no Black Stars players arrival and say Ghana double header against Sudan about akwasi apia de wa mimo papa wa 1000 kwan bia so so shemo na Gideon Mensah and so they say na wo for the message dey ama omoban after say we extended the contract and so man team ni nyina Gideon Mensah so de no and so by no moment was say enra nwuma ni nya ntie say o de ni kan te Gideon abusuan for de answer
Gideon Mensah ye ma wutirin kwa ye bo abaso as awofo Yakupon Shroud, non from Kodu Boshe Assassin. There will be the Mensa Odungwa of 2014, now started of World Premier, for around 16 years. We put on our progress, Siano or Ozoe, Yamenadum, Lydium, the team no have a leg one.
Yes, in after contract extension, for and Oze, a different Gideon Mensah, and so omo ba no aba so no our referee fire mo apon kon so nya memfa ne kransie yenti another football way and so eko ye ba so na kwabena fro choba no mo nkwana mo nkodi dia bushmeat no the buying numbers and it's osenam no mo pepsa mu tubi ekoton mo nso ambesa mu tobi ekofie de kwaya aduane no kwabena fro enche na osamo ko bushmeat no akrante ne kusie ene otwenom ene chese we ne kan sa kokohwede ene enwuramu enso confirm nyina no kwabena fro enso abema mu bi ama mato dodo bi ambesa mu tobi afei obeso kodidi ewon so awofo ne nkwan papa bi ewon so kwa ba enjoy pa odru treda ahimfie ne achi wono ma pe 0534662415 koto bushmeat Brixton Consort SA yen kancho says certificate of sponsorship omoje edema moye into construction womoje edema electricians womoje bi edema customer service for moye sales assistant healthcare ebano charity and as a creative art while your fashion designer omoje amao afi omoje certificate of sponsorship emma producers production engineers afi barbers and hairdressers moye mechanics and moye ayes asset ni nyina bi no obako any Brixton Consort empanifono and so akasa na obaso transfer sika every Ghana kwajuka make us a rating at the from kra edema omo enti ko na kwa transfer emmanuel manya fine emma bantama womo eben GNTC building abronsan no 0246 171377 na chese onempanifono and so enkasa Mike
Fancy, you fan to just say Blasters players in a squad note to add fray. There will be a change. Ibrahim Osman, a ball on loan from Brighton, final. On to me reported due to some injury concerns in T. In Penifar Frey, Ibrahim Sadiq ball and so the ma a year AZ Akma, the Dutch RDVC and him. Omo right to dream him of rat. But Sedek no Sompa Sports name saying Osman once a year and a year grade in the sanity and Ibrahim Sedek a very place a year Ibrahim Osman a year blaster squad nima. That is the latest development. Your bumpires a players I have from they will report to camp intact be injury free game way no Ghana no is very important, just as the game away one opponent. But the other chance and one chance it might jeopardize every plan and preparation for the next game or away from home against the same opponent. For Sudan, they have a lot they don't really have a lot at stake when they compare Ghana, but they still have a point to prove. Say, omo ashasiye any omo performance, World Cup qualifiers, it is no fluke. So they are in there to prove a point. But my interest be call a calf letter almost Sunday. The Ora kwesi apia. Shashadra konsaka o me de send o WhatsApp. So onsaka obet me dia to so. Na ya can be no more share ni omo mutie so. Exactly what it is that calf communicated to Ora James Akwesi apia. Once apostle ever share ne submission as no say calf has notified Akwesi apia say he should step aside temporarily from the Jumedi as a GFAS member. Na and to me emfa any issue of conflict of interest in Famba. So there's a letter dated the 6th of October 2024. Na CAF etro de Komora James Akwesi apia. The address in the residential one was Khartoum, Sudan. Normal copy the Ghana Football Association and then the Sudanese Football Association. The title and the headline here, conflict of interest regarding your dual roles as Ghana Football Association Executive Council member and Sudan football team head coach. Dear sir, it has come to our attention that you are currently holding two significant positions. One, member of the Ghana Football Association Executive Council. Two, head coach of Sudan's national football team. As you already know, Ghana and Sudan are in the same pool for the upcoming AFCON 2025 qualifiers. Obeti mi akwasi kakradi amami Shadrack na yanken kan ide na kama. Enti ye twen so be sa no mamen kan emfiri mi kasa. Okay, oh yeah. So upcoming AFCON qualifiers known as a competition. The two teams are set to face each other on the 11th and then the 14th of October, and your dual roles create an apparent conflict of interest. This situation is contrary to the CAF statutes and the FIFA Code of Ethics. For that reason, and to preserve the integrity of the African qualifiers, I urge you to take immediate action to resolve this conflict of interest, including, at a minimum, temporarily stepping down from one of the two roles until the conclusion of the competition. I kindly request you to provide CAF with written confirmation and proof that you have taken the necessary steps to remedy the situation on or before Tuesday, 8th October 2024. Failure to do so will result in this matter being referred to the CAF disciplinary board. I appreciate your prompt attention to this matter now. To this important matter. Yours sincerely, the Confederation Africaine de Football, and the Confederation of African Football, Felix Majani, Honorary Director of Legal Affairs. Baby, I'm interested one year. The paragraph has started with, for that reason, and to preserve the integrity of the AFCON qualifiers, I urge you to take immediate action to resolve this conflict of interest, including, at a minimum, the 1 year crown, anka temporarily, free would you media would dinner until the conclusion of a competition. If Akwesi Appiah is stepping down as an ESCO member of the GFA for Ghana and Sudan, it is not enough.
Yeah.
He needs to step down entirely. Kopem Sebe AFCON qualification process,
because Sudan and Ghana bought double head and we are among you.
Exactly. One say almost will let him know. Almost caption is say AFCON qualifiers no more into bracket the competition. So they are not referring to just Ghana versus Sudan, because the conflict of interest, it will come in scenario one, when Ghana plays Sudan, and then two, when there is a position at stake in terms of placing of teams. Ekodru baby nebia Angola, Ghana, Sudan, and their prayer. The likely conflict of interest will come in. Akwesi Appiah works as the Sudanese head coach, but he's also a GFA ESCO member. So when it becomes obvious that three teams are challenging,
Sompa Sport,
the conflict of interest will arise. Enti enyasi ene Ghana be bonkwa, enti Sudan for no, e also mu take it step, but also even involving who qualifies and who does not qualify. And to me, this time I've said it. This should have been resolved even before Sanki Ebeke Kebonia started AFCON qualifiers. When it became obvious that Yakobo AFCON qualifiers, now Akwesi Appiah Sudan, a group there should have been something that should have been done concerning this situation. Maybe at the ESCO level, they meet Akwesi Appiah and find a way out.
Because that's where
exactly. Yeni who ne trasa, ba urem deeper. Ne role no seven no enya trasa. A lot went into it. And he said the decision said free so crano. It will not just need to come from him. He will need that clearance. Okay, yeah. He will need it from certain quarters. It was saying. So it is not a straightforward process. But my point is, when it became obvious, it should have triggered that conversation and that process. And by now, no, ye 2-1 among me drew baby anka here se CAF trolete. No a copy GFA no a trobi so dia koma Akwesi Appiah. This should have been handled even before ye keke ball for match day 1 AFCON qualifiers. Because it is not just a Ghana versus Sudan thing. This is the entire qualification process, and it likely been impugned in terms of integrity.
Kwame say, CAF is sleeping on duty. This letter should have come the day before the draw. You can't tell a person to take a decision this crucial. Okay, lazy CAF.
A decision is expected. I was so to
yes.
Now you're trained to an amount of muntu ye. Then we will have to come in. Was it yemfiti pre-compoyers? Yes, so they will need to go about it step by step. The first step is the ultimate responsibility in the war. So you are the one to take decision. That is the GFA's ESCO and then Coach Akwesi Appiah. So man take here, remind them. If you don't, then we take the drastic action. Into the case, mamo. Next, we need the second option. The first option, omanye. second instance now mo be correct issues no ya mamo this period and the body manya kra no anka AFCON qualifiers we twu hu frame. So it means CAF is not even so much in sync and also in agreement with Kwesi Appiah's role or play with Ghana and any role or play with Sudan, because any qualifiers were in fancy. Potentially, there could be another instance where Ghana and Sudan will be involved again. So, they could be in the same group. There could be several options. And
because when me say on a day, home and away be a player selection, crowd select here Sudan for no was uncle doing a bonner. One man now money.
And ni row way no or playing for 4 years. Sudan national team needed the duration of their signing no. The way he started, anyhow impressive it has been, likely said there will even be an extension beyond the current tenure. And also back to us. So for the medium term, long term, he has a future with Sudan. For the next 4 years, he has a future with Ghana. There will be several anajos. So what happens? So it should have been ironed out by now. And it's Anke Drew. And can you say Drew can say because Angola money way for almost 10. Let us not make it say they are monitoring.
You don't need to be told. Oh yes.
They'll forward the issue up.
Oh yes.
To AM24. You did say way the muevrem. So to avoid what team in our coming
because boy say Sudan share Black Stars the chances never be very slim.
No matter what happens, I think Kwesi Appiah will be in quote unquote hot soup kakra.
Samum.
Yeah. So or the Sudan you got a free more ebufo beba kakra.
Oh beba so.
Oh, Kwesi Appiah Ghana wants to qualify.
Okay.
Good. Kwesi Appiah ejina Ghana name na odi yenya ni an qualifier. His name will be mentioned. And yet there you have a section of the people who will be against him for what he's done. San Kenya Ghana niba and this sa eye yaudie we ebeto Ghana for so. If he also does not win, and likely says Sudan for so they will look at it in two ways. Wait yeah. Nanya on our Senegal World Cup group that's free. Eba say na AFCON, Ghana, Niger, Angola. Wedding car start enough we won't qualify. So these issues, it is best. But I said it is easier for Kwesi Appiah to leave the Sudan job than to leave the Ghana role. Because of omu piano, more core score. And young commerce were bet me dini na and so TV so no radio so. And I believe in Penifo Sefatano would take the decision. But and rather Ibrahim Tanko Mobone say the three gentlemen and our money team nenya point. And I think his reference was the offside goal now.
Yeah, referees.
Referees, I cancel here. Fancy, go in here, then let's take a decision here. Last week, it's unfortunate that man came, but as Bekawa said, and Swatreman should have been awarded a penalty against Asante Kodoko. So, baby, Asem no yet to know the tour. It is a free tour. This is it. Clearly, so all the Sharak stands to start to be on Famame. Player no share go on there. You can see clearly that he is not in an offside position, but they all corner. Good. Osha.
No one.
Yeah, we're taking lead over Kotoko. But I don't know the last line of defense. Kotoko for Ntombo. You can see clearly say Kotoko defenders need to wait.
Now Blay. Yeah, on the day
exactly. And the camera angle did not really help. And to this will be better. Oh, they be possible. Where is what Bobo Nevi?
There we shall call time and ball carrier no babe.
Bobo Nevi. And after this scene, Nebra Pion. So clearly you can do that. Ubetimi I still grass.
Born born in your emotion and some
yeah. And that is why we have these issues bedeviling us. So the benefit of replay. Look at us.
Shaq the camera miss Bakuna na say na picture form there. First one na was no.
And look who last line. And yeah, you can see.
Hey, asemo.
Enti ya betna.
Oka so the hands so judge ya. E betimi aba say bia o kiki na ye ka se blade, kan bi so na blade any ho.
So we can't.
It's not make Ghana.
If you cry, you want the benefit of.
Because last week you midweek you say no sanction so atremanya penalty
for inso atremanya.
It when me
you want benefit of replay crano. Shede ebre.
Hey,
you get a point. So yeah, sir. And my league, and me room pempe so I'll say true.
Fancy, it's unfortunate, sir. We've gotten this far. Baby, I drew Ghana. Baby, I bobo sebi a 2 point drew. Na calf and a bed take it the same. This should have been resolved by the ESCO. You see, baby, I may cancer. Enya asem me beba na hia. Ana asem no sebi ne kesi ana ne mudru. Eya kwa obefa so a obesolve asem no na hia. And this matter has been on for how many months? A year draw dabeni. Odeasia. And look, yes, there are a lot of issues, factors I'm edu baby, but at least yeah, can say reasonably a certain consensus. Na ya moya trauma capsule. Asem require ye dear could do and chobeti efe. Chen be transiyama this it to get this far. Ebasa it raises issues of how sebi asemba yes koni pen 40 me handle issue no ya asembe aba sebi entiminka. Odiasia. But near Baba, so the most important thing is that Coach James Kwesi appears to act on it quickly and make sure, sir, of course, sir, FA no, Mike, as we speak today, FA Ejumano is the easiest for him to, because, yes, because you see, listen, you are on the verge of qualifying for the World Cup. Ulidi Senegal by 2 points. The next reverse of fixtures I be born November. All the Senegal ball went away. The possibility of you qualifying for the World Cup is very high. And for a Sudanese oil nation to qualify, that can earn you over $5 million or something. Something they've never even dreamt of. Another opportunity that comes with it, a huge. Who they are here. So, and that's his future he's looking at. So, and no, he would rather recuse himself from the ESCO.
Yeah, baby.
A piano no permission call Sudan. Do you understand what I'm saying? I want a man who got a song called Sudan. So for me, Sudan nationality from the performance, the chance of extending the contract very soon is also very high. So in terms of the benefit financial of Benyano, I was through. I know every man to man is 4,000 school member. I mean, please, we are talking dollars here. We are talking cities. So I know they're a bit difficult. He has to take the Sudan job and then recuse himself from the ESCO. So they're not concentrating on the Sudan job. Because he's doing a good job with the team so far. And Sebibia Koya, he might even be able to qualify for the AFCON as well.
So let's suppose the old country say akwesi yare say na bibi etisi ebeba.
Of course.
Because Moses and now Kweku Pascal say Kwesi Appiah has incurred this upon himself. He should have taken a decision long ago. Beginning to mean
young men Asemba Munya Butre. We are seeing yes, there are
Sompa Sports.
This issue had a lot of undertones, a lot of key people involved. Sabi Kwesi Appiah on the executive council on his own. He's on the executive council on behalf of Asani Kodoko. Asani Kodoko who won Ira. So yes, sorry, can take a decision. No, he has to go through a process. And Sabi will be on the blessings, say Brabet Dimiti and and it takes time. Who they say? So you can't just say what you are saying as if
so addition was my resign from
no. He has to
a process.
Sabi obi na asoma no. Wan sorry keke. Nti nipa no be san ko ne ho say adaromo Sabi ni esini nti madwini and we have processes in our system and how every institution processes it and how it works. What do I say? So near like I said, he's going to act on it because only any other alternative, you act on it swiftly and we move on. After the match, we'll come and talk about the game. In the course of the week, we'll come and talk about the game. It's a very difficult game for Ghana. It's a must-win game for Ghana. It's not going to be an easy game. My main country, go and watch Sudan, Angola. I'm telling you, this game will be hot. We have to play above ourselves. Angola performance, the Niger performance will not win us this game. No, because I'm saying that they are playing very well. That's the point. And they are playing till Shena. Just above the normal performance I exhibited so far. We are capable of beating Sudan, but I'm saying that we have to prove that. Makato said on African continent now, it's not just about the name and the pedigree.
Yeah.
It's about match ne do not prove it. On your younger here, Sundance. Senior referee. Anka Odi Farmers me boy. Anka Sundance younger would have gone to the semi-finals. So now on African continent, both club level and national team, it's not just about the pedigree, how many years. No. It's about Ghana. Usim so ye Ghana. Uko Park no so ye Ghana. You only Angola be Central African Republic. So that's what I'm talking about. It's not about Aden Sebi near South Africa, Rwanda South Africa and World Cup qualifier. Yes, that's the reality. Lesotho ni Nigeria and draw. Oh you. Aha. Nanka Lesotho call Uyua or call Nigeria. Anka draw. Or Konyawi. But the football has changed. TNTS here. Now, Asani Kotoko, you see, officiating your debate, especially when your television coverage and you're up to scratch for the league now. We create a lot of problems. And you only this match, because he found a better me ahu adeni yi akase esi supise ni esi potini. We many market ye bre also bre pole bre. Now what you say?
Seriously, a bad damn because stadium on so cry just be on the lines man in the bayon.
So there's so these are the challenges when it comes to lack of quality coverage. You know, we
Sharak sound cool chica crep, mamma.
Fancy Miami come and send how. What do you say? So born in a war between on anyway, no.
Poland, they won't tell me who can now boy faster than Nipa. Boy, I faster I change Nipa.
Me American say, look, I say supporters don't need more commenting on Kodoko games Muntias here. That say what's the sign whole team? It doesn't even take a season to get the team to play the way we want it to play. It takes time. Kodoko virtually has bought over 20 players. That is a whole new thing. And they bet take it, unfortunately for them, after a prison, the games are taken fast. And so you have to be granted results. So near here, and say almost create a lot of chances. For me, that is a good thing. So coaches know Coach Ogumomon trust they work on conversion. So there's a training more. Because chance don't create and almost will still be brave. It will come like that. But with time, the more creating when they work on a conversion, you'll be able to start converting some of them. That's the most important. Sankaya kind of said be team no performance. So be creating chance, but I could cry it very difficult. Then that's a source of worry. But with time, team and at this stage, so I saw tears of fancy. And when he has about flamboyant football, beautiful football, is getting the results. 3 points, no one ya 1 point ball away. When you 3 balls, that is what to do with time. None of players don't want more. Then you are building confidence of the team because the results is coming thick and fast. In the bus, the way na camera, that's a confident team. What they say, players are very excited. Nasano, the dress, the way I said, or share chena, or share the goggles na, or dia saka makaba. So, I mean, the French boys, the French players, they are prepared for international. They're almost different. Almost swag.
French,
almost swag. Oh, yeah, check it out. That's a guy who was a handsome boy. He has swag. Share wonderful glass, dark one. And the Mapuka, that's how he started Mapuka.
Since they move freely.
What do I say? So it's good that the confidence of the team is coming back gradually with the win to support the so attendance. So it will come by itself.
Matthew Apostle.
Now,
in frame say a Kodoko trip, no. Yep. I am reliably resourced. My year in Fifi movie said, okay. Media my players ni be befra. I saw more a joint team. normally akɔ USA no.
I didn't see
this is a confirmation from Mediama players ni bi ankasa said they will be joining Kotoko for any omako.
No, maybe because I had a BB like as a tribute or now.
No issues kakra
okay.
But now they've been able to get a team that can represent the interest of Kotoko and then the Ghana Premier League at large. And this is Ombeko as one Kotoko and then 2 ambassadors of the league. That is
okay.
The new
so when Sosiana produce OKT ranking them, Mike Mesa more about the yes amanya merebefi. I will say Kwesi Appiah has temporarily decided to step down as the GFA Executive Council member and focus as head coach of the Sudan national team due to conflict of interest. He will resume his role at the end of November 2024 with the completion of the AFCON 2025 qualifiers. And no, the near discuss now the CAF kind of what tie.
Say your bath for new year quiet draw near a group of most.
I send the Munina Matias here and one no. It's a medium place in Befraco.
Yeah, Ben Dawson. Okay. Everywhere fra. Well, when you place in the chroma confirm their man.
Okay.
And Rakamau.
Let's say or more bar against we know medium place in Bebo.
Every bit Miafra. And yes, or mobile. Every bit Miafra. Like Ombet Miabo and Omomo, but they are part of the playing contingent of Omoko. That is a development.
I'm just to maintain.
Some of the players have even confirmed.
And you can say Metias so.
And you Bibiana saw Tias.
Okay.
Or mine are offering Ninti one Tias. Liverpool pre-season were US. I mean, you deny a Croatia player. Dejan Lovre denying a visa. And the US visa anyway, you know. Ofri Ghana, ofri third world country.
I'm saying,
third world country. Only privilege be of
na police match Mike me da say
now passport Ghana passport so koye mema say mo him
wo Kulun Ghana Limited omo and day Chinese apps no e dey iron road dia ba oyo ba wadro Araba bazen tablet no de maka so ba sexually e ma wote de enso e wo mpam unya orgasm ni oba o chese waten kasem e wo from wadro no Araba bazen tablet afa menstrual pains and irregular menstrual flow enso e be jai na wadi wasini amwase abanyam Mr. Q memedro tatashe low libido slow erection and a premature ejaculation eno ebejai na dre fan say hunchu capsules eno na beboa ama wo dwonso na abamam hyehye o dwonso o teyaw obeso bo prostate eno ban adro no hunchu capsules pharmaceutical shops and herbal shops ni nyina mo no obenya bi enso ato 024425 0244 275429 and Express Group say omo school for and adwuma phones etu kwamano ne teacher ya school for mo mawie ne mo a mawie dada mo besa mo to aso scholarship enso enie wo mo jo visa ticket insensem nyina no wo mo na be ya ma obeso start to process na but mo dia so ne Express Group empan for no enso ebe kasa with omo abrochiko edema school for very simple udru edum railway police station no wo mo eben ho ana make out say omo asaf labor roundabout and cry can she first light I want so Sabeka Express Group 0249 000448 na onem penfono and so enkasa Sompa chede na ebeba so shanos amam se bronya ba ya doye na wo sa wo ye enti se uwo bibiri santoma o mo o anwa o makra nom ade bia fu se wo de che nipa dasani eyeye bia no se kan wakoma Sompa nkranza ana Sompa sunyane babi abefa bia no obetimi edo de na ede akọ na nyina ka wom na Sompa chede no ya ye ne kama makunafo ne cheso ni bie ene omo wo se ye o mado ni nyina be ama bronyan omo so anim aye ebe ye sere omo sere ni nyina kanya menhwa no na chesa ade wa bo Sompa ya che wakoma so ade ene wo busade ni nyina Coupons ediama osanso omamu wo nshira chen odie na odie na sika na abeso de ba momo number ni 0598 559802 I baba Terra One Media na say Blessed Foster emu bia baba bia no eno ano no pole boko de na me ado me hu de setwere konkron no yentiwe me nua me da sini akonya odi ama me che o tifo no wahwefo nyina fabulous the best fabulous the greatest fabulous we see emu de ye emu dampa chama mame mo ye coach abaso ogum
na me more playing body number so because so team was started team was started 8 new players na itimi giant na so every ni sa match we mame mo na ba so mame se kotoko supporters say me pole me say si ebebo match bia na ebe she 1 goal na ya je 3 points aduana stars aye bi da Ghana ha aduana edi 1 goal sa be G league e wo Ghana ha eno gwa no mu players abo mu ache o na nye team aye new team me say kotoko supporters ye wazo ye mumia na ye mpanyimfo na si because ma ye recruitment papa ma ye kura players by ye ni team ne dey say ya na ye behu no say ya he putu mu time dey ye be ya dey kura bia 2 goals e ye 1 goal na be dey be to afre ho so dey why be chiw say ye ball goals so dey anhwa obegidu enti ye be sere kotoko supporters me bomba baso titiri ma mu free kumase ekọ enra na me more boase supporters abaso me say eye oboase Asante Kotoko this time here team ni wo oboase ne de eye oboase Asante Kotoko ye say ibe kumase na be kumase Asante Kotoko oboase foaji team no fel so eno as we supporters e ba stadium wa ma me mo mabaso Kotoko company for nya me nhiramo ma nya recruitment enu nti etifia e be hye ebi tifia no mu twefo mu bo no mu toto bo ba park ne so and a born here offside where ye best referee no yesra mu monto gadget emma referee no born referee peja ne flag more than 1 minute a born kokoshe na linesman peja ne flag na referee hu de eko ye best monto gadget emma referee no what peja flag gina da before cross pass ne kanipa ne nan amana kobashe na referee di akire wono on hwe lines man enti mesre ball kni go ya je 3 points se ye dasoro me betra ka se ye be hye ne yakoda soro ne yakoda soro wa agi se grader e le bedu afri o grader ni so bedu ya ni so a ye se asei enti se die na betu afri soro Kotoko supporters ye nya koda soro ne de substanding match kura ne be ye afri soro a ye sha ye be sa koda ba bi eda enti esre supporters no hwi nsi ya dwobele na ye damase nso enura ba mo ba ma ne ye fe na me nhire obi bia oyi ni sika bo team ne ho kanura ye do obi aseminua
pole no am say Kotoko ne wo fa ni agro kra ma me fa me course well, may I cross 21st clinic at Daroma. Branian 2 Siatekano Ase Emau. Our branches out of doors our Ghana in the mountains. So Tinino, a muchuna mutu, dear foul to Aseno. Yawa Yana, what qua, watches what quacha and qua. At 21st clinic, Kobaba, a show of assist junction and Yaquine 0540311311. Mefa cross 0548931931 0551931931. Hello, Kola. Yes, Penny, yes, you.
Unia bema ba kope. Opil kabiri, no wiki mo kwada Sompa Sports. Oba, ebe ma baso. No kwani nyankopo ni eno na me profi papa profone go na refi no edikala we no. But mo ya de na pa we ya ma boma pasi pa. Unim say TV station and nature match no comment me and channel from that angle na mo channel no pa we no. Clearly no, what you say na offside. Nice man no, I began a flag cry da and that na or cross the ball no amana ye. For me, it's a bring na na didn't say a go. But no pay me share station no. And I was ball no. Truly speaking, na offside. Nemo me kate akoma Kotoko mo ni aje this time no. So put here next time no more me complaining. Okay. Now Sudan match next no offer. Yenye mama say Sudan ba be say Ghana wo Ghana how. Enye me mama. You be say Ghana. Ivia ni atadi abese pitch. You are pitching near bibia. Players no answer. If you can na players no.
Yate, eye mafo from Brian Brand so I don't mafache. Hello Kola. Hello. Hello Kola. Whoa.
Hello, Pansit Mario.
Open it you.
We are going to watch. We are seeking us.
Okay.
More about so. And mobile Juma. Campus make an say. A queer house of folk company for every house and I'm from fancy the metuana makuma ne me ya hey house of folk ni ishimerado house ni dombo te house ni ninia and sebha
Kafra hello
hi
yes sir
okay solo one day
what solo it's you
na from that system among them Magamo, Japoni Navato, na and Neto, the Vice President, Dr. Legmont Bonia, and then the birthday, the man after birthday, I'm saying I'm going to Champamano. Now, I comment and I said, and not Remo Comanches and the Kotoko team number son. Kotoko plays in the Yao Bomuno and Amuya Mayeno. I bet the Kotoko opportunity, yeah. Almost a one go, no. Master, we should one go that you would demand at any way at 3.2. But we have 5 goals. 5 goals near the first, you know. Okay, 10 goals, but if I know what kind of idea will live to know. And Timmy and so the players need to be 30 million. Make sure more quite a match. Don't come out to one day, one will be on here. I know the game will be 100 million. We are on 3 points, we are more 3 points. Yeah, the players need to take 30 million. Now, there you are, boy.
Yeah, see. Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Opening edge also yet you.
I'm finding a proud for me.
Okay.
It's your financial money of your come on. Finding the real true down, I get you to life years and fancy. What I know more. No move baby. Until I couldn't bring a meal or do me after a while. Go home, no, as a country, anything. That's it.
Oh, yeah, sorry. So, wow. Happy birthday going out to Abna Nyama. Ebra and Ewa. Happy birthday, Elko Ediama. What say sports team? No, Joyce Abna Nyama. My wow sister. Jinaso Bruta. Tinewa would Yamin Shana or Wawoda. I want your Wakuma Swadiamao. And also to John Asare Newa woda. If I say your show happy birthday. Yamin Tutu and among fancy Bibia Bear friend. I don't know. Yeah, sorry, Grace, edge in the time.